Hello everyone, and once again welcome to the YouTube channel of GLC Law by MS. My name is Siddhant, and today in this session we're going to talk about the last month strategy dedicated only for the students who's preparing for MHCET for the year 26-27 and for 5-year LLB exam. So I know that you guys have already been preparing since past 2-3 months. There are few students who have been preparing since last 1 month, but still there is a question in a lot many students' mind ki sir, that can we get some last month tips, tricks or a strategy? So here I am with this detailed video. So you have to watch this video till the end and let me know in the comment section also if you guys face any difficulty, any issue in regards to understanding of this part. So let's start with the first part of this. So I have basically divided the entire session in multiple phases. Now the first phase which we're going to talk about is the initial 10 days. So initial 10 days always going to be the building of the concepts like a foundation basis only. Now in this I would recommend students who have not still prepared or who have just started with the theory preparation, don't jump directly onto the mocks. I'll tell you when you have to pick mocks so that in the last 10-15 days you have more inclination towards mock preparation. So right now focus should be completely, I know you don't have any exams going on right now, so focus has to be at least, this is minimum 7 to 8 hours daily preparation you have to do. What to prepare I'll tell you, but going towards over here, so if you are already with one institute or you are already with IMS, you know that we have 3 to 4 hours of lectures, so attend those lectures. It includes part of this only. So 7 to 8 hours is including your lecture time. Okay, remaining whatever has been done in the lecture, you have to practice similar based questions for next 2 hours. That means pick up 2 subjects at least, like English legal, legal logical, or maths logical, and so on. Then maths separately 1 hour daily you have to devote, and along with that current affairs of 2 to 3 hours. Now very important point, in contrast with current affairs, it is very difficult to cover up all 10 to 12 months current affairs right now if you'll start from scratch. So I would highly recommend you people to directly jump onto the questions which has already been covered in your session classes, or if you have any book where there are multiple type questions which are there for the students who are there with GLC Law IMS. We have already provided with them near about 500 to 550 questions, one liner base explicitly on the MCQ pattern which comes in MHCET. So we recommend students to go through that, divide 30-40 questions every day, pick up those topics, read about those topics, and then come back and do the answers. So entirely in a day you have to devote 7 to 8 hours. Now what have to be done? In English, you should primarily focusing on reading comprehension and vocabulary. Also one-liner based, synonyms, antonyms based questions, spell and error check. These are already an integral part of English, but these are the important one should be focusing. So whatever you are practicing on daily basis, 1 hour each subject, like, so you can take a combination of English legal, or you can take a combination of legal logical, or you can take a combination of English logical. That is what will going to help you. Now for legal, majorly principle based questions are there, but in MHCET sample paper, there is a mixed match. There is a paragraphical based question. There are more of assertion, reason, even statement conclusion based questions are also forming part of the legal. Then there are legal GK based questions also. So expecting that multiple type of questions can be there, so focus on 1 hour of practice this. Then maths, we are majorly focusing about the basics like averages, percentage, ratios, and profit and loss based questions. Some data interpretation based questions can be done where could be 2 to 3 lines of length which has been given, so you can focus on to that. Now current affairs is last 6 to 8 months is very crucial to focus on. So this is what you have to do for the initial 10 days, first to 10 days. Now moving to the phase 2, that is majorly from 11 to 23, which will focusing on building accuracy and strategy. Now what is building accuracy? That will shift our interest towards mock. So in every 2 day, if you will give mocks, so you will have total of, for the next 14 days, if you will give one mock every 2 day, in the next days you will going to attempt 7 mocks. That is what for 2 weeks which we are planning. Now why we are taking sir in every 2 day 1 mock? The reason is focusing more on analyzing mocks more. So minimum 2 hours should be there. So you will definitely have a mock strategy with where your score will going to improve. So initial, maybe if you have still not written any of the mocks, For the initial part, what is going to be there? Your focus should be on time management, starting with which section, that is should be the prior focus for the initial 1 or 2 mocks. Now, if you have in total, let's say 15 mocks, so 2 mocks went there, remaining 13, you reserve 3 mocks for the last week. I'm going to tell about what has to be done in the May month, but this is what has to be your focus. So that is how you can divide. So focus area right now has to be accuracy and time management, which I've already covered. Next, when you analyze a mock, what do you have to focus? What is your weak area? Now, weak area could not be the weak type of question. It should be the weak particular section. Like if your maths is going on, your current affairs is going on, or what is the problematic. I know current affairs will become a problem, but by end of April, you will be able to ace it. So when I have talked about current affairs for 2 to 3 hours and taking up MCQs, so whatever has been there in your material, that is your question. Then what are the different types of questions which has already been in the mocks, that also become your learning material. So while giving the mock, you might be in a situation you are not able to ace it, but maybe when you'll give your main exam, or you'll give sample papers in the last 1 week, it will help you. Now, by talking about sample paper, very interesting fact that on our YouTube channel, that is GetCET Law by IMS, you guys are going to have live sessions and a few recorded ones from our expert mentors, especially talking about legal, English, analytical, maths, and even there will be a session for current affairs. So guys, don't miss out on subscribing to our channel, because if you don't subscribe, you won't get a notification. So I'm talking about strategy, they will going to talk about, including me, we're going to talk about how the sample papers have aced and help you to clear up your exam also. Now, talking about this, sectional practice is very much important. So after giving mocks, your improvement plan will, after identifying, while giving the mocks, you identify weak areas, and then you level up by going to the different section and continue your current affairs practice. So in this last 14 days, that should be your focus area. So if you don't analyze, you are going to waste a lot of time. So don't waste your mocks in the last 1 month. Now coming to the last phase, that is 28 to 24 to 30, that is 1 week, you will need to maximize your score. So initially we focus on accuracy. Now the focus is on score improvement. My suggestion to all the students is, when you give mock, don't leave question. Consider those papers as a final paper. So don't just sit, okay, TK, this is for experience. 1 or 2 mocks is okay to strategize things, but for all mock, you sit like that only, that I will going to give a few flukes, I'm going to give a reasonable fluke. So go for all questions, don't leave it. And also have a habit of putting up a review option that I will revisit later. But while reviewing it, please try to select an answer, else it will be a problematic situation in the main paper. Okay, now coming back to this, so mock routine has to be, now in the last 1 week, you will give mock daily, focusing on speed and accuracy, and then analyze and improve your mocks. Okay, for that you have to keep it in mind that you don't have to hurry much, but you have to be in the speedy way so that calculation happens easily. So your strategy should be clear. So I would recommend, go with this pattern. You start with legal, you go with analytical, then English, then maths and current affairs, or you can keep current affairs and maths in between and keep analytical at the end. That is what you can go for. Okay, but if you are not sure ki sir, for the initial part, like for the 90-95 minutes, I will cover up English, legal and analytical, that's the best strategy you can follow. Okay, so for what I've said, for the initial 90 to 95 minutes, cover up English, legal and analytical reasoning. Okay, then in the remaining 20-25 minutes, you have to cover up your current affairs and maths. Now it is not too heavy, so that's why we don't follow the clat strategy ki beech mein give a gap of some another subject. That is not we say. So in the last 1 week, your focus strategy has to be no new topic. Please keep it in mind. Your weak area should be again your priority. Then revise from the mocks mistake. This is again an important. So whatever you have analyzed in the previous weeks, you should revise ki what are the mistakes I'm doing, and I will not repeat it in the last 1 week. And again, current affairs ka revision hi karna hai, now no new topics. So whatever you have studied till 23rd, you have to just revise, no new topics, nothing. Okay. Now coming the final 1 week strategy, what is going to be there in the month of May. Attempt in the first week of May, treat it like a real exam. Now this is super serious. You keep your complete focus. So out of 6 sample papers, I would highly recommend keep 3 sample papers in reserve, or you can keep 2 sample papers in reserve for May and 1 mock of your own institute to have a difference in the type of questions which come. So this is an area. So you have to have a fixed time, no distraction, complete focus, and also take up mock between the time slab of 11 to 4. This is highly recommended. So you can have a slot of 11 to 1, or you can have a slot of maybe 10 to 12, or you can have a slot of 1 to 3, you can keep a slot of 3 to 5. But majorly the range has to be, or you can keep it from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. tak ka, you can keep 2 hours ka, keep changing. Okay. Then why it is important for your sample, because this can be similar to a real exam pattern. It helps to finalize strategy adjustment and builds confidence. Now after this, you can surely ace your exam, and your target score has to be above 105, 108. And if you are able to do it, you will surely going to get into the dream college, that is either GLC Mumbai or ILS Pune. And if you guys have liked our video and have understood ki yes sir, this is something which we were needing, so please guys don't forget to like this particular video, share the video as much as possible, and do subscribe to our channel, because there are so many videos which are going to come on our channel. And thank you so much guys for watching the video till then. Siddhant sir signing off.